Hi guys, welcome to Excel in Excel. Through these videos, I am trying to explain simple yet very powerful formulas in Microsoft Excel that we use day in and day out. So let's begin with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP or vertical lookup, as the name suggests, is used when the data is structured vertically. As we can see in this Excel file, we have the financial data for different countries in different columns. So if I want to find out sales number or gross profit for any particular country, then I need to use VLOOKUP formula. I can give a formula in the same Excel file, in the same sheet, in a different sheet in this Excel file, or in a new Excel file. So let's do it in a new Excel file. We need the sales and gross profit of these three countries from our main Excel file. So let's put the formula, type VLOOKUP. As you can see in the formula bar, first we need to give a lookup value. That means whose value you want to pick up from our main file. And to pick up the sales data for country A, so I should give my lookup value as H10. Next is table array. Need to select the range. So need to select from the first column, then drag it down and select the entire data. It is not always necessary to select the entire data. If I need only sales number, then I should select column A and column B. But it's better to select the entire data for future reference. Next, we need to give a column index number. That means from which column I want to pick up my data. As you can see, sales number is in second column. So you have to give 2 as your column index number. Next, you can give true if you need only approximate match, or false if you want an exact match. So I'll give 0, that stands for false or exact match. Then close the bracket. So what we are trying to do here is I'm trying to find out H10, that is my lookup value from this table, and then I'm trying to find out the sales data for H10, which is in the column 2. Then press enter. So we have got the sales number for country A. I can drag it down to other countries. So next, we need the gross profit for these countries. So let's just copy this formula and paste it here. As you can see, we have got error. Why? Because our lookup value is incorrect. So as I've told earlier, it looks for the lookup value in the first column and then picks the respective column number that we have given as index. So here it's looking up the sales number in the first column, so which is not correct. So I should change it to H10. You can just drag it. And other thing is you need to give the correct column index number. So as you can see, gross profit is in column 4. So we have to give 4 here and press enter. So this is helpful when we have only 2 columns or a less number of columns. So if we have more parameters to pick from our main file, then giving the column index number manually each time can be a bit tiring. So instead of that, what we can do, I know sales is in second column in the main file and gross profit is in fourth column. So here, instead of writing 2 in the column index number, I can give the sale number. So it's picking the sales value and it is looking up the second column in our main Excel file. So here again, if I'll change or if I'll copy paste this formula here, I'm getting error because my lookup value is wrong. So to fix it for the first time when we are giving the formula, we have to freeze it. So what freezing does, it will reach the column that we are looking for. So as we can see, our country name is in column H. So I should reach column H to keep pressing on F4. So column H is freezed. Second thing is I need to freeze this column index reference, because when I copy paste the formula to the cell below, then it will change from I8 to I9. So I need to freeze row 8. So you need to keep pressing F4. Now if I copy paste this, so you can see in the first instance we have got the gross profit number. So if I need the net profit, so I know net profit is in the 6th column. I'll write it down. Then I'll just drag the formula. So instead of giving this sales number column manually, we can use VLOOKUP. That will be talking in our next session. So next, find out how do we give VLOOKUP formula in the same Excel file. So equal to VLOOKUP. So I'll freeze this. I'll freeze column F. I'll come to the main file. I'll select the entire range. I'll give 2, 0. So here again you saw that we are again getting error. Why? Because if you see here, it's looking A2 to F23. Here it's B2 to G23. That means when we are giving formula in the same Excel file, the array will not be freezed automatically. So each time we'll change the cell, the array will change. So for that we need to press F4 and freeze the array. Just drag it. So I've got the sales and gross profit number. So if you don't want to keep freezing, we can actually name our data. So for that, select the entire data, go to name manager. So I've named it as sales, close. So when I go here, instead of going and choosing that table array, I can simply write sales. So here we didn't need to freeze it, because we have given a name, it will take accordingly. So we can drag it. So we can see VLOOKUP is very useful, but it is having some inherent difficulties, like data should be structured vertically, and the lookup value should be always in the first column, and the numbers or the columns that we are picking, it should be right side of the lookup value always. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. So in the next session, we'll be talking about VLOOKUP and pivot tables. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.